Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.
Is either Sam Clare forgot he's a celebrity or he's looking for relevance. You get
Forgot.
yeah, maybe forgot. Hello guys, welcome back to the Average Dude podcast. Remember to stay positive and always choose to shine. While you're shining, please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment to join the conversations in the comment section. Thanks to the new subscribers, thanks for subscribing and supporting this video and supporting the movement. And to those of you that are watching and not subscribing, God is watching you on Plasma TV. Back again. I'm back with two guys, two big bosses of mine on the channel. This is their second time on this channel, so they are no longer Shana novice.
First time.
They are no longer. Oh, sorry. They are no longer strangers. Look at you.
Let's rate it.
No be rookie. Who they give rookie of the year, sef?
I think Bad Boy teams.
Bad boy
Where
teams,
Bad Boy
okay.
teams?
Yeah, we wear that disgruntled clothes. Come.
No, they are stylish.
No, look what the year pass. So,
Yeah,
No, na him.
Because
Like on purpose. Like,
but
it's
his shoe wasn't that.
Yeah, the Photoshop and yeah, so
you know, say Lekon be say the Lekon don reach one start of say because of the show wey him go through, he get rivals, opposition fans, just be like Davido, Risky, they dey always dey tackle.
Yeah.
They actually edit
Yeah, I know you can't wear that type of shoe and come. I was just like, why? Don't leave this guy.
As in, they just I don't even understand. So that one, but that Bad Boy team zone.
I didn't even follow
Just
that guy.
say-
You can't even they yap me I win award. I just God.
Yeah, man, that's small boy liver.
That's small boy.
At least next one. You know.
And no,
Next one,
everybody
try.
go improve now. Yeah,
Get
this
stylist.
go get stylist. Normal.
Guy name. This popular.
My Tafu.
No, get this other stylist again. I don't forget. Swanky
Jerry.
Hey, go ahead.
All those stylists now, they are very expensive. Oh. If you know be like their personal model, if you say they take the
Before.
like people like
Normal.
people like the Ebuka and Uti now.
Everybody-
Those
No,
ones.
don't make.
I know say those ones they pay money. Oh.
No,
Because any dress
they give them free set. So
any dress wey those dem Tafu, especially my guy na my Tafu dey dress Ebuka. Any dress wey those ones give am. Na like advert you get.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
no be say na.
They pay for him or.
But upcoming artist, no, I be the guy.
Maybe one blow, they go be you.
Oh,
And their work now, so the guys.
And like there was a time that one dress was trending on Twitter. That dress, I don't forget the name of designer, one female designer. Right?
Who wait?
The woman gets like this thing like I don't know.
twin-in-law.
I don't know. I've forgotten. I can't even remember the name. But the dress was going for like maybe 1.5 million or something. Is it okay?
Alright.
and the thing they move. I don't want to say oh
Happy
man.
Children's Day to them.
Happy Children's
Now them will. Alright.
Anyways, back on this channel, let's start with a fun fact. Let's go get right into it. This is they said almost half of the world survives on less than $5.
Which app is that?
Is it? Wait, let me see.
Less than $5.
A day or
In second.
No.
Power.
Not per hour.
Wait, they won't talk that to Nigerians. So if you buy them
No, I think it's a month, not today. I think
under $5,
Yeah.
I better cancel that fact. That's trash.
it's trash.
It's not possible. You can't even survive less than 1 second on $5. That's
It's
rubbish.
not possible.
No way.
You know how much is $5 in Nigeria now?
That I say,
$5, let's say 2005. Let's say flat.
you know
$5.
wait, you go open your hand like they don't come out 2.5. What 2.5 they buy for Nigeria with fuel increment in price? Ha.
Maybe it's a day then. Let me.
You know if it be
You know
one
people
day.
need a day.
If it 2.5 go do in one day.
MTN data self.
Imagine. You go, no, that one no be.
But
That part,
me,
it's not fun.
it's not fun. It's not fun. It's just
not fun.
it's tragedy actually.
That's trash.
But me, I already know that. Like they always say, like a lot of people like in the world live less than $1.
Maybe maybe they know they.
I don't think that $5.
Nigeria.
I don't think
It's
not
like
the-
they are what they earn a day.
$5.
Like a day, but maybe but
Yeah.
$5. Maybe next tomorrow you get $50. But on a regular, less than $5.
Less
Like
than
constant.
Okay.
Because no constant.
But normally you already know
this.
this saying that a lot of poor countries like people survive on less than $1 a day.
Maybe I think they should just specify the area, not like half of the world, because it's not possible.
And they should specify the country.
Exactly, the countries. Maybe they are.
The thing is like you know there's all the statistics they will I say they try to be smart or
Yeah, notice.
because one way or the other if you are saying half of the world by the time you add India, China, Vietnam, Nigeria that's half of the
India and Nigeria now all the
India and Nigeria
half of the world already. So that's how we dey
China and India.
China is still at least.
No, it's not the main place.
Okay,
China have a lot of like low income places. So
Yeah, on
That's what I'm
paper,
saying,
on
like,
paper
they should
China is better than India and Nigeria.
Yeah. But if you go there are ghettos and all of that. No.
China said get to.
Everywhere get
People,
America.
people that are working under all those. Why do you think they go to like production in China and India?
No,
Because
free,
it's not free.
labor.
It's
Cheap labor.
cheap
Yeah,
labor.
yeah.
And also
Cheap labor.
it might be less. I think it's possible. Like
Yeah,
people
yeah,
earn.
it's
I think it's earned.
Yeah, I
because
think
I don't know
also
where.
depends on the mathematics. Like, okay, maybe if you sort your bills out, the remaining change is $5.
Except that one.
So by the time you pay for food, like
So that's
Okay,
let me
now,
just
so
manage. Now you manage this
It's
until the
left.
next
What's
one.
left is $5.
Okay, I can agree
So
with
you
that.
survive only
Yeah,
on
yeah.
$5
Yeah, okay, the
By the
next
time you
day.
calculate everything.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
Get back to
Yeah,
$5.
that's
I can agree with that. For minus $5.
$5. And now
$15.
liberal work. You
Yeah,
go to work in the month, a whole day.
By
You
the time
collect
transport,
2,000
food,
now.
Everything, 2,500. Remain.
Okay, can
The world is suffering,
can subscribe to that.
and there are some people that are billion.
Billion.
They are spending billion.
And why somebody put that with a video or whatever, say if Elon Musk share half of his wealth by 1,000 people, nobody will remember for anything.
I'm telling you, there was one video I saw. One guy used like rice to explain billionaires' money. Like, as in each grain of rice, it took like each grain of rice like represents like $100,000 each grain. By the time you go down, if you see the way rice full everywhere, you now like segregated. It was now like okay, like this, like 2 grains of rice, like one Maserati or something. Like he used to explain, like he used this 2 grain of rice. He bought this car. Like look at the rest of the money that I see remaining from this particular billionaire. You now pack plenty, like let's say like 15 Maserati or something. Put it somewhere that this small rice here like represent about 15 Maserati. That video was just mad sharp. That's capital. That's why some states don't like capitalism. Maybe like all these Soviet Union places don't really like. But the thing is that whether they like capitalism or not, it's not as if their economy is still like booming like that.
Yeah.
But at least they have a little bit of better infrastructure, at least.
Than say Nigeria.
Yeah.
I think if
So when you have some of the basic
basic things like all those other things no go.
you can,
but the truth is, so socialism like doesn't. I don't think it supports like innovations, because a socialist like government or agenda doesn't give you that drive to aspire. Like see people creating tech. You get if you're having like a socialist mindset, you are not like thinking that you own like a $15 billion company. You know? Like see this Flutterwave now that they just valued about 1.something maybe $billion because they are partnering with PayPal or something.
They just know that they want to partner with PayPal.
So it's mad sharp. But anyways, let's talk about new music. What new music are you feeling?
New music I'm feeling is Bounce.
Bounce, Rema,
Yeah.
because of the Nyash in the video.
No, I don't even subscribe to the video, like, but the beats and all of that, like,
Yeah, it's
I really
good.
felt the the wicked beats.
Yeah,
I really
I
feel
like
that Bounce.
the.
But I'm not really listening to other songs that like they brought out.
Why I like the song is the is it TikTok, maybe it's Instagram.
Oh yeah,
Stuff
the
like that.
people that are doing,
Yeah.
are doing, but I'm just the music alone, not the TikTok and all those stuff.
So you know
Those are just promotions.
those songs, those Instagram dance will make you like
Well,
like
listen to the song
listen to
exactly.
the
Yeah,
But I'm
yeah.
a critic of that song.
Why?
Why? Because I think Sam Clef tweeted something about Big Bum Bum, Big Yanch and something, and everybody was attacking him. But the same Nigerians are still doing booty bounce, booty, even Rema too. So one person, you're attacking one person.
But that's a song
and
now.
the same thing. No, is it not the same?
No, it's not,
Okay,
it's not.
booty is different from Yanch. I agree.
It's not the same thing.
I agree.
Let's look at it
Oh
like
my
this.
God.
It's a song. People have been singing about
Booty,
Nyash, booty.
especially Moit.
Before we were born, people
Yeah.
have been singing about
Yeah.
sex. Let's even remove Nyash. People have been singing about sex, bonbon, whatever. But the whole Sam Clef tweeting issue
It's
is
like
this.
profiling a woman. So
The thing is, in a way, is like 50-50. Like you might say you support it, and you might say you are against it. Number one, everybody was trying to make joke about it. Like everybody were like catching cruise. The thing there is that there's this whole woke movement of objectifying women and all that.
Times, yes.
But number one, in a way, it's like it's not like really objectifying her. It's like people are just celebrating her, like she's sexy and all that. But the negative aspect of it now is that, you know, everybody was talking. They were catching cruise on Twitter, but there was no negative backlash to them. But it was until Sam Clef tweeted. Now that aspect is this: is either Sam Clef forgot he's a celebrity, or he's looking for relevance. You get? Yeah, maybe forgot. You know, the guy is doing maybe like what they call it, blog and vlog. What do you call it?
Vibing with the movement.
With movement, he's trying to do blog now. That's where he started having fight with. I think he had a problem with Today Not or something.
Yeah, so the same.
So the guy now is kind of switching into a blogger. Now let's remove Sam Clef out of it. Let's say another celebrity, let's say Fowls or another person.
Or even Whiskey.
Yes, tweeted about not Whiskey, because they have a song together. So you might think they have
They're trying to promote
apart from promote, maybe they have like a parole, like a different
personal.
like the way Whiskey used to tweet about Tiwa that time when they were having cruise. You get. We even saw a video where he was tapping, he was giving Sabash. You get. That one will be a different distance, but it is very clear. They have never been a picture of Sam Clef and Thames together or whatever. So you will know that it's not as if this.
He's a crazy fan.
Maybe it's a crazy fan, just going with the cruise.
Yeah.
So as a celebrity now that you don't have any relationship with this person, you are not supposed to
be.
He's not supposed to
get
that's my own opinion. How many celebrities did that? It's not about rules. I feel it's common sense, sha. That's what I just think. Both of you are good celebrities. If you don't have like a special relationship with this person, that's what do you think?
I don't know. Like
everything is cruise out. Like it's double standard. Like a lot of people, a lot of people too. They are just saying it's double standard. But when I first of all saw it and I saw that I was getting, I didn't know I was going to get backlash because Sam Clef is trying to like catch.
And I think why the backlash too is because the girl herself, she's not the type of person that exposed that part of her body. If you watch the girl closely, she always hide that part of her body.
But see,
and which is a selling point in this industry. Even people with less would show off, but she kind of hide that part. She wants to express her.
No, I don't think she's hiding anything.
She's hiding because she would have on purpose.
No, she's not hiding. It's a style. That's what the difference people don't understand. She's not hiding it. It's a style. like check our some of our old videos. It's people that are just like, okay, if she's hiding something, sometimes she wears like normal like pants that you see like full front figure, you get. So I think it's her style. Like just there are some girls that are like tomboy. She's not tomboy, like, but you know that she has like this like raga.
Kind of...
She has like this raga, a bit of gangster style. You get. So it's her style. It's just like this person was coming now. It's a bit as if I'm shady. Like 10 you now. People should start complaining that why does she like wearing baggy or something like, you get. And like in America now, there's someone like Lizzo. That is also big. Down, show body.
That one though, she don't
different. So I don't think Thames is hiding anything. It's of course it's the whole curve, big bum and everything. It's beauty, you get. But I feel the dress code, everything is her style. Look at all our videos. You get. She's always wearing something, maybe something that would like say maybe Bruce will be blowing, we blowing the thing, you get.
True.
But the Samples issue, I just think is either he has forgotten a celebrity because Baba is transitioning, he's transitioning to be a blogger, you get. So
anyone we go
the game is to be relevant now. Let people talk about it.
That's it. That's it. As I've seen it, that's it.
Just
anything where you go put.
I don't think the guy is making.
Let your name still be in the mouth.
People's mouths.
I don't think the guy is making like a lot of music, but the thing is like, I don't feel personally. I feel he forgot that he's still a celebrity. That people will hold him to like a high standard, which is supposed to be normal. Like both of you, like you are like, okay. For example, now let's say like this is a podcast. We are in YouTube. We have a group of YouTubers, you get. So let's say one of the YouTubers are trending. People like in the comment section, people are like throwing shades or catching crews and all that. If another YouTuber that is YouTube this is
very high,
like they can see that it's your YouTube.
Yeah.
YouTube, you now go and join the crews this thing.
Yeah.
You get it will look somehow. And let's say people now know that both of you are not like, maybe you were cool before and
now you're
not like so cool or something like that, you get. That's like exactly like kind of the same scenario. So it's cool to talk about Yansh, it's cool to sing about Yansh. I don't think there's anything they have been doing it before we are
doing it too.
Yeah? If our parents did not jump to sexy songs, we will not be born.
There are lots of bomb songs.
There are a lot of bomb songs.
Plenty. That's any point.
Talking about new song, you see this Rush video, Bella Shmurda.
Yeah, I said the video.
Hello guys, thanks for clicking. Don't forget to subscribe and like to support this video. Thank you.